Hello, my name's Dean Vickery and I'm here today to tell you a little bit about what I do and what I offer as a family law solicitor. So as time has gone on, I've found a different way of offering legal services to the general public because of their busy lives, and that means offering early morning interviews or early morning telephone calls. If you're working away and it's international, I'll try and accommodate the time zone. If it's lunchtime, I'll try and take your lunchtime call. If it's during your travel going home, I'll quite happily do it, or even if it's in the early evening. The way of doing it is to try and help you manage your time and go to work, but also you're able to see a solicitor and be able to reassure yourself about the things that matter to you. So it also means that if you get a nasty letter or an email and you're concerned it's a Friday, you can ring me, and if you want to engage me, then we can engage. And then that means then we can move forward with a strategy on the weekend, so something can be done on Monday morning. If you find that you go to court and you found, oh, I haven't got anybody to represent me, you can ring me at short notice and I can see whether I can accommodate you. So the out of hours service is for anybody who has, in effect, a busy life.